Have you ever opened your bank app and thought, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money management problem. And if you don't fix it now, you'll wake up 10 years later with the same income, the same stress, and no financial freedom. But here's the good news. You're one budgeting habit away from changing everything. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 powerful budgeting hacks that can transform your monthly finances, even if you live paycheck to paycheck. Stick around till the end, because hack number 10 is a mindset shift millionaires swear by. 80% of your spending comes from 20% of your expenses. Check your last 3 months. You'll find 3 or 4 categories eating your money. Cut those down, and you instantly save more. Are you really using 7 streaming platforms? Unless you're reviewing Netflix professionally, unsubscribe. Assign every dollar a purpose before the month begins. Idle money gets spent. Now that your dollars are employed, let's give them some benefits too. Automate your savings, bills, and even investments. Set up auto transfers right after payday. Let discipline run on autopilot. If Netflix can auto charge you, so can your savings. 1 day a week, spend nothing. No coffee runs, no online shopping. It's simple, powerful, and adds up fast. Thinking about buying something non-essential? Wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. If not, you saved money without effort. Put it in your cart. Then walk away like a boss. Budget for fun, but cap it. Transfer your weekly fun amount to a separate card. When it's gone, it's gone. Fun stays fun when it doesn't wreck your finances. Eating out regularly is a $500 per month habit. Plan meals weekly. Prep once. Eat smart. Save big. Spend 60 seconds every night reviewing what you spent. It builds awareness, and awareness builds control. Think of it as brushing your teeth, but for your wallet. Swiping feels painless, but cash makes you think twice. Use physical cash for categories like food or fun. It makes you pause, and that pause saves money. Don't budget for your current income. Budget for your future lifestyle. Who do you want to be in 5 years? Let that version of you decide how you spend today. That's 10 simple budgeting hacks to save more money every month. But saving is just the beginning. Want to know how your money can grow on its own? Tap the video on your screen now to discover the power of compounding and how just a few dollars a day can change your life. This is Dollars Drift, where your financial transformation begins. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe,